Hello Microsoft, my name is Anik Fayaz Kareem Malik. I am a second year software engineering student currently pursuing my BE from NAD University of Engineering and Technology. This is my application for the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador program. Since my school life, I have been using many Microsoft products and services from Windows XP to Windows 11, Office 365, Microsoft Visual Studio, Microsoft.NET, and even Microsoft Azure. Over the past years, I have participated in many tech events and hackathons. I have also organized certain events at my university. Many of them were for bringing the sustainability to the distorted ecosystem of the world, like global warming, water pollution, by inventing innovative solutions to help deal with these problems. Since I am a software engineering student, I have learned many programming languages like C++, C#, Python, HTML, and JavaScript. I am also participating in online coding challenges like CodeChef and HackerRank to improve my data structure and algorithm skills. Currently, I am doing projects on cloud technologies. My recent project includes detecting data leaks using SQL and blood banking via cloud computing, which I made using Microsoft Azure services. So to answer the question, what inspires me about technology and how can I inspire and influence my peers? So technology is a passion of mine and I enjoy nothing more than learning the trends that the technology is taking in order to work more efficiently and see progress and success. I love seeing the big picture mapped out for technology needs, whether it's cloud services or the future needs of a department's wireless technology. Efficiency is huge to me, and I have a passion for finding the more productive ways to reach the goals. The fact that technology is growing day by day and many new technologies are emerging. AI, cloud, IoT is opening unimaginable avenues for the future. To answer the second question, how would you take a technical concept and teach it to a friend or peer that has never heard of it? Many of the students don't know how to learn new technologies or what they should do to begin their journey, so I want to help them through good roadmaps. The more time I understood that the easiest thing you can do is get people driven enough within the topic to finally find out more about the subject, eventually on their own. I would use their existing information to show how useful or interesting this idea is to them. It can be a productive advantage. For example, I often use the containers example when teaching the topics like array and linked list and make it linked with their end of knowledge to make it clear to them. I want them to become from producers of technology to consumers of technology. To answer the third question, if you were hosting a technical event, what steps would you take to increase the awareness about your event and attract the targeted audience? I believe in learning by doing. I have a good knowledge of organizing events in my university as I have been a part of many of them. So I would conduct seminars, videos, workshops, coding competitions and many other things. I have also received certificates for organizing good events. The first thing which attracts the student to attend an event is the topic. And then I will promote the event through social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. I will also create teaser videos and posters. I am very excited to be a part of Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador program and learn valuable things. I would love to share my knowledge with my peers. Thank you.